Cavalieri 1981 shoes are a symbol of style and quality. Here's how to care for them so they always look impeccable. Step 1. Cleaning. We begin with a thorough cleaning. Use a soft horsehair brush to remove dust and surface dirt from the entire shoe. Remove the shoe trees and take out the laces to give yourself easy access to the tongue and every part of the upper. Taking your time during this step ensures that every area is properly cleaned and prepared for conditioning. Step 2. Nourishing and coloring. Now it's time to nourish the leather. Apply a high-quality cream polish that's specifically designed for genuine leather. Step 3. Pro tip. Here's a professional tip. Apply a small amount of shoe polish to the leather outsole as well. Many people overlook this step, but nourishing the leather outsole helps prevent it from drying out and gives the entire shoe a refined, well-maintained finish. Step 4. Polishing and mirror shine. Now it's time to bring out the shine. Here's the craftsman's secret. Wrap the polishing cloth tightly around your fingers, like this. It gives you greater control and allows you to apply even pressure exactly where it's needed. For a stunning mirror shine, add just a few drops of water to the cloth and patiently work the toe cap using small circular motions. Repeat the process until thin layers build up, creating a deep, crystal clear, mirror-like finish. Remember, achieving a perfect mirror shine isn't about rushing, it's about patience and consistency. The result? Shoes that not only look impeccable but are also better protected, ensuring your Cavalieri 1981 shoes remain elegant for years to come. Subscribe to our channel for more expert tips on shoe care, craftsmanship, and timeless style.